Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I drew this in about 2 minutes. And I thought I'd share with you how I did it. I'm not 100% uh, sure of my new one. And I'm putting it kind of in the center of the page. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to move the rotation to the center. Let's click on it again, make sure it is on the center. Sometimes when you do that, if you don't hit that X, it gets there. Go to Arrange, Transform, and Rotate. We need 10 degrees, so we need 36, but we already have one, so that's 35 copies. And you can see I made it a little bit too small. And that's why I like this. Let's make it quite a bit bigger. Move that center back to the center. Click on it again. Our rotation changed. Now we're in the center. Let's check it. Let's go 35 times. It's not as good as the first one I did, but it's still a cool effect. It's just because I had a thicker line. So let's actually do that one again. Just take this top one. I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page, holding down the control button, and hit 35 copies that quickly. Now, just a little word of warning. When you do something with artistic media brush, you have to break it apart from the artistic media group or it won't work. We have to take that out. Now this one is quite a bit fatter, but I've already done it. And I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. Tell you what, let's make our circle quite a bit bigger since that's bigger. Double click, put it in the center. Wham. That quick. Now, if we did not break the artistic media apart, trying to get back to where we just drew it. All right. We don't have that one apart. It doesn't work. And you'll see what I'm talking about. See, it's the artistic media tool is messing it up. So if you look, there's 3 objects. So just go here, arrange, break 7 objects apart. What it did, it made a bunch of copies, kind of spun them around. So let's get this, hit all that and delete it. Now let's put it about here, move the rotation in the center, double click, make sure you're on the center. Wow, that quick. And you can change it, just back up one letter or one back up. Let's try this. Control D, mirror that. Let's group that. Move the center rotation in the center. I didn't quite make it. You don't have to be in the center of the page, but to me it makes it a lot easier. I still don't think I'm quite in the center. I've got snap to center on, but 35 copies. I mean, look at that. And you could play around with that till the cows come home. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.